He said there's one particular tribe, Ama Nigeria and Koso. There's one particular tribe, they've given everything out there to ensure. Say when it come to 419, they will be there. When it come to buying your people, they will be there. Kidnapping, they will be there. Which tribe is that? The Igbos. And he said they are the cause of the problem that Nigeria is having. You know, when I hear these things and I see that our people are trying to pamper this self-acclaimed Igbo king and his subjects or whatever they call it in Ghana, I get sick. I get sick. Now, I'm going to show you this video from that apostle. And then after that, we'll come in and do some analysis. Because if an Igbo man, listen, if an Igbo man from the Igbo land is talking about Igbos, then we have to listen. I strongly believe that some people in government are having something to do with Igbos whatsoever. And so when you talk, they don't want to hear it out. You understand what I mean? No wonder. But let me just share this with you. Senebeya, if you are an ordinary Ghanaian and you want to deal with somebody and you hear the person is an Igbo person, you'll be extra careful. It is very important. I put these things out here. Otherwise, you will not know. Let's go and watch that video. We'll be right back.
Uzochukwuka Gbemudu. So that for those that will say, because you're not an Igbo, why are you talking against Igbo? Let me tell you something. My name is Uzochukwuka. I am from the Igbo side. Now listen. You see, one of the tribes causing problem in this country that will not make this country to go forward is the Igbo tribe. I am telling you. I'm telling you the truth. I repeat, one of the tribes that will never help this country to move forward are the Igbos. Now, before you begin to complain, listen to this. Since this saga between VDM and Bilod, a lot of Igbos that have formed a ganging group. Oh, Igbo people, let's support Bilod, our brother. Why are you talking against Igbo? You don't like Igbo. They are not even looking at what VDM is talking about. They're only looking at, oh, Bilod is an Igbo man. That is what their concentration is focused on. Not to better this country for oh, because, oh, VDM, you do not like Bilod because he's an Igbo man. You want to destroy the business of an Igbo man. So are you people letting us know that every business of Igbo people is fraud, 419, Yahoo, extortion of money? Is that what you people are trying to say? Now, I've watched so many bloggers from the East. Do you know what they are saying? Oh, Igbo people, it is now that I know that you do not like yourself. But instead of you people to join and support Bilod, your brother, instead some of you are supporting VDM that is another tribe. Now you people are talking about love of Igbo. You people are not looking at what will better this country. The Bilod that you are crying that all the Igbos should join to support now, is Bilod doing the right thing? No. Bilod hype his price over. He wants to have a gain ×2 of what he bought his product. And you people are supporting him. Oh, every business, one product can be sold for 2 different prices. There is inflation and there is deflation. There is this. You are using corny to prove that what is wrong is right and what is right is wrong. Oh, Igbos, they should support Bilod because Bilod is your brother. You people do not like yourself because you are not supporting Bilod. Bilod that wants to defraud the nation. Bilod that is hyping his price, that is making the price not to be comfortable for people to buy. You are angry that VDM is coming out to say, Bilod, this is what you are doing that is wrong. This is how it is supposed to be. You are angry. And yet you people want a good Nigeria. Of course, from the East, a lot of you people are saying, oh, Biafra. I believe that it is now I believe that even if the Biafrans, they succeed to have a Biafra nation, the Biafra nation will become a nation of fraud, 419, extortionists, mago people. I am telling you, because you Igbos are making it to seem that all the Igbo business is fraud and hyping of price and extortion of people. So you people are trying to say that you people do not do decent business that will make people to be able to buy things cheaper. That all the business of Igbo people must be costly, extort money, high price, put triple portion or triple price. That only where the Igbos buy their goods abroad is from expensive companies, expensive shops. You understand? And that is why they are selling very, very expensive. So you people are trying to let us know that your business is not straightforward, it's corny. And yet you people want to, Biafra will stand Biafra. That is to say, what you people are doing is that tomorrow you people succeed in having Biafra. Oh my God. In fact, the stealing, the oppression in that Biafra, oh my God, will be unbearable. People go even the wrong come out for Biafra, they enter Nigeria. I am telling you, if that is a plan of Igbos that only fraud now they go know Igbo for, only mago now they go know Igbo for, then it's a shame. May they support Be Lord. And you people say, oh, you people should patronize your brother, Be Lord, patronize. Wow. They should patronize Be Lord with 450,000 naira. Not even original iPhone 7 Pro Max, iPhone 17 Pro Max. That one are refurbished. Counterfeit, 419. They deny you, say, may they patronize. The way you people they think is alarming. And you people want good things to happen for this Nigeria. If you not like Igbo people, more na go they buy expensive from Be Lord. More na no go open our eyes, go buy waiting. Go there cheaper for una. Una know as this country be. Una say una won't go buy for expensive place. It's only foolish people that will follow all these people to be doing all these things. But thank God for the Igbo people that are wise. Igbo people, you people should be wise. Stop following fraud. More na they do the right thing. More na they do genuine business, so that all will be well. Dear God bless you. I don't talk past like this, so I rest my case. Please share this video, drop your comment in the comment section. Follow my page if you are watching me for the very first time until I come your way.
Alright, Busia. Now I believe strongly say you guys saw the video. Now this is from an apostle. This is an apostle talking. It's a Christian for that matter. It's not somebody that the Igbos who says that, oh, he's just hating us. He's from Yoruba or he's an Awuza or he's from Okiti or whatever name they call it and he's hating us. So that is why it's like this is an Igbo person talking about his own people, saying that whatever is going on in Nigeria right now, it is from them. They are the cause of it. The Igbos are doing it. And he said also that when it comes to doing 419, when it comes to doing buying your people and kidnapping, it is the same Igbo people. So I asked myself question. What is it that Ghanaians have seen? What is it that our president have seen? What is it that our ministers have seen? What is it that the police service have seen? What is it that our immigration service have seen? And why are we entertaining these people that they have been actually been sacked or drive away from their home country, and we are just welcoming them, and we think that they are bringing legitimate business, the same business that they used to collapse their system? We are accepting it as a country. It's a pity. It's a pity, honestly speaking. And I'm using this opportunity once again to call on the youth. Okay, the youth. The country Ghana belongs to the youth, irrespective of what the system is trying to create, to intimidate, to push people, to silence people. I think that countries have done that before and it never worked, because when the youth arise, like what is going on in Cameroon right now, like what is going on in Cameroon right now, I have the video in Cameroon and I'll share with you. There's an uprising going on in Cameroon right now as I speak to you, and I'm telling you, it's the youth. So at a point in time when the youth cannot take it anymore, it will spread, and when it spread, you understand what I'm saying. So the questions I'm asking is, why are we keeping these people that we others are trying to drive them away because they feel like they are not doing legitimate business We as Ghanaians want to harbor them. Look, very soon our kids will learn the evil and the 419 activities from these people. Very soon, our leaders will copy this kind of 419 attitude. Very soon, our businessmen will copy the 419 attitude. Very soon, our schools, our lecturers, our teachers, our truck drivers, even those that we trusted, they will copy all these things, because when you have bad people, bad influences mingling with new good people, definitely they will influence them at the end of the day, because they want to get rich at all cost. That is what the apostle was saying. This is an apostle. It was not like somebody who is not apostle. He is an apostle for that matter, and he's saying all this. Ebusia, once again, like I'm saying, we will never stop pushing until we take care of business. Once again, let me say, Ghanaians, let's do away and ensure that our houses, our rents, our apartments, our houses, we have to stop renting them out to these people. We have to stop selling our lands. For the land, when I hear it, I get annoyed. Then let me say it, that if you are an Igbo man and you have bought a land in Katamansu area, Apollonian going, I want you to know that that land, you better give it out, because one day, you see what is going on in Lagos State, we will do the same. Check what is going on in Lagos State. We will do the same and we'll throw you out. Yes, that's what is going to happen. It is serious, because at the end of the day, your own country in Lagos State, they are breaking you are demolishing everything out there. Then you guys will run to another country, go and spoil that place as well. Thank you guys all for being part of this show. Ebusia, we keep sharing and we'll keep sharing. Can say fela, fela. Ebusia, I love the way you guys are watching the video. The videos are going, but let the subscription come, okay? Let the subscription come. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys all. Bye for now.